everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Stripe and MailerLite. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new customer in Stripe, we want them to be added as subscriber to a specific group. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Stripe is an online payment processing software, whereas MailerLite is an email marketing software. The problem here is, if you want to send data from Stripe to MailerLite, it is not possible because they don't have any integration between them. And that is where we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to integrate these. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here we are in Google. And now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so here we are at Pabbly's website. Now I'm going to go to this product section over here and I'm going to select Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free. So now I'll go down and here at Pabbly Connect, I am going to click Access Now. Okay, so now here we are at Pabbly's dashboard and now we have to create a workflow. So I'm going to select on Create Workflow and let's give this a name. So I'm going to give it as Stripe to MailerLite. Okay, so I'll create it. Okay, so this is the trigger dialog box here when this happens. And you can add the action dialog boxes by clicking on this plus button over here. So now what we want to do is we want to integrate Stripe with MailerLite. And that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect in order to integrate both these two software applications. So first we are going to integrate Stripe with Pabbly Connect and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with MailerLite. So I am going to choose Stripe over here. Okay, so you can see so many methods are available over here. You can choose whichever you want. So I am going to choose new customer. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now you can see this webhook URL over here. So usually after this process, we have to copy this webhook URL from here and we have to go and paste this inside Stripe. So what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. Okay, so you can see all these instructions are written over here, so you can just follow them. So I'll copy this webhook URL from here and I'll go to Stripe and here you can see developers. So I'm going to click on developers and then webhooks. So here we are going to add the webhook URL. So I'll paste it. Description, you don't have to worry, and in events to send, I want to select customer created. As soon as a new customer is created, we want the customer to be added to MailerLite in a specific group. Okay, so now I'll add endpoint. Okay, so you can see the webhook is enabled and now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and let's capture the webhook response. So now we are waiting for the webhook response. Our task is, now we'll go back to Stripe, create a customer and see if Pabbly Connect captures the data or not. So I'll go back to Stripe and let's create a customer. So add. Okay, so let me create a customer over here. So let the customer name be Steve Stokes. Okay. Email is stokessteve@gmail.com. Now I'll add a number. Okay, so now I'll add the customer. Okay, so we have added a new customer over here. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if this information has been captured over there or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and you can see the webhook responses over here. So Pabbly Connect has successfully captured the data from Stripe because of the webhook. So now I'll go down. Okay, so let us save this. So okay. So now we have successfully finished our first step. We have integrated Stripe with Pabbly Connect. Now we'll begin with our second step, that is action step. So now we are going to integrate MailerLite with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click on this action button over here. I'll go down and let us choose MailerLite over here. So now in choose method, again there are so many methods available over here. You can choose whichever you want. I am going to choose add subscribers, and if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now I am going to connect with MailerLite. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the credentials. API key, we have to go back to MailerLite, get the API key and paste it here. So I'll go to MailerLite. Here you have to go to your account section and you can see integrations. Okay, so now I'm going to go to developer API. Okay, so here you can see the API key. So I'll copy this API key and I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and pasting it over here. So I'm going to save this. Okay, so group ID. So this group ID is the group that you have already created in MailerLite. So I'll show you. So when you go back to MailerLite, you can go to the subscribers and groups. So you can see 3 groups over here, Pabbly demo, testing and this one. So the goal here is, as soon as a new customer is created in Stripe, I want the customer to be saved in a specific group as a subscriber. So let me choose Pabbly demo as the group. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and here I am going to select Pabbly demo. So now every time a new customer is created in Stripe, that customer will be saved as subscriber in this specific group. So email ID, let us map this detail. Email is here. Okay, first name, let us just put the name. Company, last name, country, all this is not required. Phone, okay. Let us map this data. Okay, so we are done. Now we are going to save and send test request. So you can see we have got the API response. That means we have integrated MailerLite and Pabbly Connect. Now I'll go down and I'm going to save this. Okay, so now let's go to MailerLite and see if this Steve Stokes customer has been added to the subscriber list in Pabbly demo or not. So I'll go to MailerLite. This is Pabbly demo. I'm going to open it. Okay, so you can see stokessteve@gmail.com. We have got this customer inside MailerLite. So we have successfully integrated MailerLite and Stripe. So now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how these things take place in real time. So I'll go back to Stripe and let's create a new customer. Okay, so let me create a new customer, Amsterrego. Okay. Amsterrego@gmail.com. So let me add a number. Okay, add customer. So I have added this customer called Amsterrego. Let's go back to MailerLite. I'll refresh this over here. So you can see Amsterrego has come over here. So what would have happened? First, the information would have come from Stripe to Pabbly Connect, and then the information would have gone from Pabbly Connect to MailerLite. So now every time there is a new customer in Stripe, we'll have the customer saved as a subscriber in this specific group in MailerLite.
Not just these 2 software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.